Ever wondered what makes jets roar? Inside every engine is a storm of fire and speed. Air gets sucked in, squeezed tight, and ignited with fuel. That explosion pushes the jet forward. Pure thrust. It's Newton's law, but supercharged with technology. Modern engines spin thousands of times per minute. Turbines made from heat-proof alloys survive blazing temperatures. Each jet engine is a masterpiece of power and precision. From commercial flights to fighter jets, this is flight's heartbeat. Subscribe and feel the power that lifts the world.